Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here. Today we're diving into a bold and dynamic word, aggressive. It's a B2 level adjective that means being forceful or ready to attack. This word often carries a strong sense of intensity, whether it's describing behavior, actions, or even strategies. Let's break it down. The word aggressive can describe someone who is determined, energetic, and sometimes confrontational. For instance, if someone says, "She has an aggressive approach to sales," it means she is assertive and proactive in reaching her goals. It can also describe something hostile or ready to fight, like, "The dog's aggressive behavior scared the mail carrier." Now, let's explore some synonyms of aggressive. Words like assertive, forceful, and hostile can all capture aspects of this word. For example, he was assertive in asking for a promotion, or her forceful personality helped her lead the team. On the other hand, hostile leans more toward the confrontational side, as in, the debate became hostile as tempers flared. For antonyms, think of words that convey calmness or passivity, like peaceful, gentle, or submissive. For example, her peaceful demeanor calmed everyone in the room, or he took a gentle approach to solving the problem. If you're looking for a complete contrast, you could say, instead of being submissive, she stood up for herself. So, how does aggressive fit into everyday conversations? You might hear it in sports, like, the team played an aggressive game and won. Or in business, someone might say, "We need to adopt an aggressive marketing strategy to boost sales." It can also pop up in casual talk. "His driving was so aggressive on the highway." Let's use aggressive in a few sentences to solidify its meaning. The politician took an aggressive stance on environmental issues, pushing for immediate action. Their aggressive expansion plan led to the opening of 20 new stores this year. You need to be more aggressive in pursuing your dreams if you want to achieve them. That's it for today's word, aggressive. We've explored its meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and how to use it in daily life. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps more people discover the show. And here's a little challenge for you. Create your own sentence using the word aggressive and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and have a wonderful day.